Hello and welcome to the Shiny Book Club. Sorry, not the book club, it's the Shiny Club. And today we are starting another project, which is going to use LLMs for literature review using the abstract information from papers. The papers that we are interested in this case, is from the website onemind.org. Unfortunately, onemind.org does not provide any API to get their papers or abstracts. But if you visit the website and you search for a search term, for example, soil improvement techniques, and you click on search, it produces these results. And if I click on the first result, it's going to show this page, which contains the author information, the abstract, the citation information, and then it has this RIS file that you can download, which also contains all of this information. So the goal is that uh, the user of the Shiny app that we are working on is going to provide a search query, for example, soil improvement techniques, as I showed you, and from the app, it will then get results uh, from these results that we saw, and then take the abstract, multiple abstracts from different studies, and then send that to LLM for creating summaries of these abstracts. And then the user can make some decisions of what to use, what papers to read further, and what information could be useful, which of these papers could be useful. So if we look at the robots.txt file of onemind.org, it shows us the user agents, and at the end it shows us that it does not allow programmatically doing the search. It does not allow or does not want us to um, web scrape any part of the website. So one idea that we have is to basically download this RIS file, but there are more than 145,000 such results, and we cannot in bulk download all the RIS files programmatically, because that is again part of web scraping that we do not want to do. But what we can do is we can go to the sitemap of this website, and there's a typo here. It should say one line. So if we go there, it would show us the URLs to all the documents that contain all of these results. So in this case, we have blasting part 2. If I, whenever this page is loaded, if I search it, we'll find the exact URL, this URL of, uh, uh, of the website of this page on the sitemap. So we have written code to get all these URLs. And what we're planning to do is to download these RIS files, like up to 10 files per user in a given session of the Shiny app. Once the search term is matched with one of these titles, so the titles can be obtained directly from the um, URL. So soil improvement by blasting part 2 is part of the URL. So we know what the title is. We can fuzzy match this with the user's query. And once we get that information, we can then ask the user to select up to like 10 relevant articles they want to summarize the abstracts of. And once they select them, we can then download or extract information from RIS files. So we do scrape, but we don't scrape a lot at the same time. And we can even like throttle this so that it's just 1 second, and within 1 second, there's only one file downloaded. Once all of that is obtained, we have the abstracts from RIS files, and then we send that to the LLM. So we are using Elmer for that. Um, so this is in crux the summary of the project that we are working on. and we have about a week to complete it now. But if I show you that same result here, not sure if I can do the search. Let's see. So here it is, that same exact URL is shown here. So this way we do have information about all the URLs of the site. And so we can use that to get the titles for the match with users query, and then only get the RIS files from 10 or so files or pages, and then send the abstract developers. So that's it for now. Thank you so much.